Prepare an almond oil and hibiscus leaf. Hibiscus leaves are filled with amino acids and antioxidants. They help prevent dryness and nourish the hair. Almond oil is another great hair oil that treats frizz and smoothens your hair. How to use. Ingredients: ½ cup almond oil, 4 to 5 hibiscus leaves, and a few drops of glycerin, 17. Heat some almond oil with hibiscus leaves in it. Let it cool down a bit so that it's safe for application. Pour a few drops of glycerin into it and mix well. Massage this solution onto your scalp. Leave it overnight. Rinse it off in the morning. Thanks for watching.